to show the demo of my individual project too. It is using Rust language to host the pre-trained model for the Hugging Face, and this one using for natural language processing. It is using the summarization, and this one is hosting the Kubernetes, and I was using Google Cloud Kubernetes, and here is the deployment. It's pretty easy, and here's the demo. I will show the demo now. For example, I just click it, and here's my website. It has two models. One is BART, and another one is T-file. And I could host more models there, but because natural language processing, it just take a lot of the memory, so that I just host two simple model to in order to, for the demo, and the server is super costly, and I just show the demo here. Wait 1 second, sorry. I'm going to copy paste some paragraph here. Yeah, let's see. Okay, and here is could just choose the output of the words is around these words, and yeah, I'm just click it. This one is need take a long time to run. Maybe it's take several 5 minutes. Yeah, here we go. Here's like the summarization, and if we want to make this one generate more words, we can just click again, and it will host the generate more words for it. Yeah, again, it need to take a long time. Yeah, here we go. It just take generate more words for it, and you can choose the output words. And yeah, let me go back my GitHub. Sorry. Yeah, and the GitHub, I already showed the demo, and I'm going to show the Kubernetes here. The Kubernetes is I just using the GKE here, and here's the log. Yeah, yeah. See, this one log is I just show the demo, and then now it has the log here. Yeah, it's pretty simple to use it, and yeah, and if you guys follow the setup, it could set up easily in your local. And for the first, you need to install the lab touch, because Rust needed to combine the laptop touch, and including to make the model for it, and the CI/CD is config in my GitHub. It will automatically just build, push, the Docker, and also like push the binary into the release. Everything is automatically. If you guys interested, just check the CI/CD here. There's a lot of the CI/CD here. Yeah. And also, like if you guys want to run my project easily, just using this command line, and for the like Docker, and I already pushed the Docker image into my Docker hub, and yeah, here we go. And you guys could just like git pull it pretty easily to use it. And this one is uh batch, and for because this MMP mobile need to take a huge memory to run, so every my server is a pretty cheap one, so currently it's just take a 5 seconds to run it. And but if I using the GPU, it will be much more faster, and because the GPU need a lot of money, so I'm going to using the CPU to do it. And yeah, here's a log I just show, and that's everything for my project. If you guys interested, just check my source code, and here's every code I have in here, and also the front end is also here. And if you guys too interested in, just feel free to check out my GitHub. Also give, yeah, thank you so much.